The next generation in tree trimming tech meets the legendary Ion Plus series with the 48-volt 16-inch cordless chainsaw from Sunjo. Combining the power of a gas machine with the fume-free convenience of cordless, Sunjo cuts straight through your tree trimming to-do list without all the yearly maintenance, costly tune-ups, or trips to the gas station. Powered by Ion Plus, the exclusive eco-friendly 24-volt lithium-ion battery system, the cordless chainsaw cuts cleanly through trees, logs, and limbs around the yard and garden or anywhere power is at a premium. Dual 24-volt lithium-ion batteries provide 48 volts of max power for up to 15 minutes of reliable, rechargeable runtime and up to 25 cuts per charge. The robust 1200-watt motor and self-lubricating 16-inch bar and chain slice cleanly through branches and limbs up to 15.5 inches thick. The onboard oiler keeps the bar and chain fully lubricated for continuous cutting, and the toolless chain tensioner provides a quick fix on the go when you're really in the thick of things. Plus, with top-notch safety features like the built-in handguard, kickback brake, onboard safety switch to prevent accidental starts, and bar and chain storage sheath, this chainsaw was designed with safety in mind. And for reliable performance you can trust, every Sunjo's backed by our complete 2-year warranty. So cut your yard chores in half and double the power, and go with Joe. 24V X2 CX16 48-volt 16-inch cordless chainsaw from Sunjo. Get equipped.